Let's talk about how this product has a 3.6 rating on Ulta Beauty, but on the Target app, I think it's at 4.5. So we'll take a look and see what the comments are stating. Hi loves, welcome to my channel. It is Naya, known as Modest Guru. In today's video, we will be reviewing brand new e.l.f. makeup launches, and we'll actually be getting into the reviews as well. First product up is the Power Grip Matte Primer. This just launched, and this is retailed for $10. So really good size, has a gel consistency, super thick. Now it goes on hydrating and then it dries down matte. So very cooling to the skin. It's not really sticky, but it goes on hydrating and then it dries down really matte to the skin. Next we have the Halo Glow Powder Filter Press Powder, and this is in the shade Medium Neutral. So this was the closest I feel like I could get to my complexion, and it states to pair this pressed powder with the Halo Glow liquid filter for a airbrushed look. So start with using the Halo Glow liquid filter that was recommended and see what look we get. Let's try it. Now it is the winter time, so this may not be like my exact match. Hoping with these two together, it will give airbrush. I picked up the Camo liquid bronzer in a new shade. So this is in the shade Tan Bronzed. So in this, I have the medium shade and I like it for every day, but no, like a little bit more bronzed look for the most part. I mentioned in my previous video that these bronzers are like very pigmented, and I still feel the same way. Doesn't take a lot. The only place I'm going today is literally to return a product and then to the gym. So we're getting a little bit glammed. Getting slightly glammed for the gym today. And I may take some headshot pictures, we'll see. Now to set my under eyes, I was so excited to try the Halo Glow setting powder in the shade Light Pink. So the setting powder is $8. I like how thin it feels. Like it feels very sheer coverage. The fun part, we are going to put this baby to test, this pressed powder. I'll be pairing it with my pink e.l.f. puff powder. So cute, see, very cutesy. So it says gently press, it states to gently press powder into skin using the included puff. This side, it actually comes with a e.l.f. puff, super cute. Gonna turn my lighting down so we can really see the product. I'll take some pictures on my camera for a better view as well. Okay, so I put it all over. Didn't have to use too much. Bronze back up using the e.l.f. infused primer, just so I can really get a look. The e.l.f. day, so I'm gonna set with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Spray. I feel like it gives airbrushed. Yeah, it's really coming off flawless. to me. I am definitely going to be using this as a duo with these two. I don't have any complaints. Like, it feels good on my skin. It looks flawless. There's only a few reviews on Ulta Beauty, but some people are stating it is too shiny. I don't get a shine with this product. It says white cast, period. Okay, we're gonna have to take pictures and I'll just insert them into this video towards the end. I love this color for the winter time. This is one of my current favorite obsessions. It's like colored lip liners, fall winter color lip liners, and this is in the shade Plum Get It. This lip liner is only $2, so this is the final look, and it is giving very much chic and girly. I'm getting up close. Even up close, I am still feeling like this is a win. I like the way it makes my makeup looks. It is so flawless. I do not see any creasing or anything. And then I used the setting powder, so not really too sure about the setting powder. I can already tell it's kind of setting into very fine lines, but we can fix that. So it's a cute little powder, $7. Let me know what you think about these particular products. Would you buy them? Do you like them? Which one is your favorite? And I will actually be just posting clips here, just from pictures throughout the day for you to kind of view and see. But I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I will have the products linked below. But thank you and have a wonderful day.